How to create a shortcut to a volume in Windows 11 using Unique Identifier. Brief explanation. Creating a shortcut to a specific drive or volume in Windows 11 can be helpful for quick access. This guide shows how to use Windows PowerShell to find the unique identifier of a volume and create a shortcut on your desktop. This process makes it easy to access the desired drive or even pin it to your taskbar or start menu. Step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Open Windows Terminal with PowerShell. Press Windows +X and select Windows Terminal. Make sure you are using Windows PowerShell in the terminal. Step 2. Find the unique identifier of the volume. Copy and paste the command below into Windows Terminal and press Enter. PowerShell. Copy code. Get volume, format list, property file system label, drive letter, unique ID. This command will list all volumes along with their unique ID, file system label, and drive letter. Step 3. Note down the unique ID. Locate the volume you want to create a shortcut for. Make note of its unique ID, which will look like this. Mathematica. Copy new shortcut on the desktop. Right-click on an empty area of your desktop. Select New and then click Shortcut. Step 5. Add the command in the shortcut location. In the location field, type the command below. CMD. Copy code. CMD/C start volume ID. Replace volume ID with the actual unique ID from step 3. Example. CMD. Copy code. CMD/C start \. Click on Next. Step 6. Name the shortcut. Enter a name for your shortcut, like Example Drive. Click on the Finish button to create the shortcut. Step 7. Optional. Change the icon of the shortcut. Right-click on the new shortcut and select Properties. Click on Change Icon. And choose an icon that you prefer. Apply the changes to update the shortcut's appearance. Step 8. Pin or move the shortcut for easy access. You can right-click the shortcut and Pin to taskbar. Pin to start. Add to start menu all apps. Assign a keyboard shortcut. Move it to another convenient location. Summary. By following these steps, you can easily create a shortcut to a specific volume on your desktop using its unique identifier. This makes it